Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up membership on Payhip. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Payhip, you can use our link in the description down below where you can where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, as you can see, what is Payhip? So as you know, Payhip is an all-in-one e-commerce platform designed for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses to sell their digital products, physical products, their online courses, membership, etc., all types of many types of services, and making it ideal for those who want to sell online without needing advanced technical knowledge or separate website. So if you want to set up your membership, so make sure that you go to the website, and after you go to the website, just input your email address and it will ask you to create an account. You just need to put your personal details, etc., and it's just easy. And after that, after creating an account, you will be redirected to the dashboard right here. So right here on the dashboard, if you want to sign up your membership, just go to the products right here. And if you click on products, all the products that you have added will be listed right here. But right now I don't have any product added. So let's just add our first product. So as you can see it, you need to select a product type. You can just add your digital products, your courses, physical product, bundles, coaching service. But as you can see, you can also add your membership. So in your business, if you offer membership, you can add them right here. So let's just click membership. So add a new membership. So to get started, choose the membership title. You need to create your or add your membership title. So for example, uh, tutorial subs. Yeah, so for example, this is my membership title. After I input the membership title, just click add membership. And right here, as you can see, this membership has zero published posts. So you need to post to allow you to provide the private content to your customers. So in order to post, you can just click manage post right here. And if you as you can see, I don't have any published post right now, but I just need to create a post. So it's either a link, a text, a video, or an image, or you can just embed. So for example, let's just add a text. So the title of the text, for example, the title of uh the post itself. So for example, tutorial. Okay, let's change this to tutorial subs. And for the content, you need to write the content that will appear in your post below. And also you can add or upload attachments. And what posts you need to you need to what content you need to add to your post. Well, it depends on you. You can just uh you know you can just put your website link right there, your business, the description of your business, the contents of your business, and why do you have the subscription. But yeah, you need to have your website link over there. So for example, we will create a page for us, a website page for us, or a sales page. So let's say, let's go to the page tabs right here. So if you go to the page tab, this is the page tabs of your manage of your post, etc. So let's say we edit the sales page. So if you click edit, will be redirected to the editor page where you can edit your sales page. So this is actually the default design of my sales page, and I can just edit it section by section. I can just go to the header example, and you know, edit each of the section. I can change the logo image. I can just choose store logo. I can upload an image, and the image will upload it right here. And also the navigation links. I can edit the navigation links, the header settings, the header layout, the header width, fixed position, vertical padding. You can edit all of the website or all of the pages properties right here on the left side. It's easy. So after changing all of this section right here, you can just explore it. It's very easy. You can just go back and go to the checkout page and click view. So I don't have any checkout page for now, but if you do, you can edit also though. And also the thank you page, you can also edit this one. This one. So make sure that you edit your all of your page based on your subscription to make it more convincing. So now for the pricing, so people need to pay for your membership. So you need to add a pricing plans. So if you want to add a pricing plan, you need to click this one, add pricing plan. So it's either your membership is a one-time purchase, subscriptions, payment plan, or free. But since it's a membership, let's say subscription. So let's say $20 per month. So say you offer $20 per month. And after that, you need to name your pricing name. So make sure that you input your membership pricing. So tutorial sub 1 month, let's say tutorial sub 1 month. And also you can input the description too, and the pricing description and pricing image, but it's optional. It's up to you if you want to you know offer that, or if you want to add that, and also if you want to offer free trial to your membership. And after you input all of this, just click add pricing plan. Oh yes, you need to connect your Stripe account first. You can email. So actually you can't add a pricing or subscription to your membership uh if you don't have Stripe account connected to your Payhip first. So make sure that you email the Payhip uh email this one, Payhip support, and ask them to connect your Stripe. And that's it. So after adding your pricing plan, the membership already have a pricing plan. They already have pages that for your website. And if you want to add members, you can add them too, so that you can manage your membership or your page more properly. And after that, you just need to have a post. So as I said, create a new post. It's either a text or a video. It's up to you, but uh, yeah, for example, if it's a text, just write the title of your post, the title of your membership, that describe your membership, the content of your memberships, and you can upload the attachments, add a task, and after you're done with that, just click publish now, and you're done. That's how you can just set up your membership on Payhip. So now people can see your membership on the Payhip site, and they can purchase it. And that's it. That's how you can set up your membership on Payhip. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.